Hi everyone, and welcome to my first design team post for Strumpet Stencils. I'm so excited to get started on this design team. I am in love with all of Sarah's stencils. So to start off here, I'm working in my art journal, and for this journal page I'm starting off with a black gesso background. So I really love to work with black gesso. The matte background that it gives you when you're done is just absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going in now with some of my Sennelier acrylic paints, and this is the magenta from Sennelier, and I really love this colour and this line of paints. They're really beautiful. So the magentas is giving me a really subtle shade here in the background, and that's what I want to start off with. So with the gesso being so well black, because it is black gesso, I decided that I would go in with a little bit of white gesso just so that I could get my magenta popping out a little bit more against the black background. I'm still keeping some of the magenta that I'd already put in the background there, but the white gesso has allowed the other colours to pop through. So I go in with a couple of different shades of magenta. This one again from Sennelier, I have the quinacridone magenta from Golden, and I also have a processed magenta from Winsor & Newton. So the three colours combined gave me this really gorgeous pop of pink and red against the black background. It turned out really nice. So just to add in a little bit of contrast of a bright against a dark here, I'm going in with white, and this is the Neo Color crayon, and I also go in with my Uniball Signo Broad white pen just to give a little bit of definition there across the top of the line, and I really love how that bit turned out. So I'm going in here with the Crystal Anatomical Heart stencil from Strumpet Stencils, and I'm using a gold here, and this is a modelling paste. So this is already pre-mixed, but you could easily mix your own with your own white modelling paste. I definitely recommend you get a hold of some modelling paste. It's really fun to work with and can give you some really gorgeous textures. So I don't clean my stencils at all, but the only exception I will make to this is if I'm using modelling paste, because it can damage and crack the stencil. So definitely once you're finished using them, give it a wipe with a baby wipe or run it under a tap, and they're good to go again for the next round. So this page was inspired by The English Patient, and the quote that I pulled from the movie here is about how the heart is an organ of fire. So I really love this quote, having watched the movie again quite recently. It's one of my favourites, and the quote really stuck into my mind. So it really influenced all of the colours that I picked in this page, and also the stencil too. I really love how the whole thing turned out, and I love how the lines and the colours and the stencil and the quotes and everything just came together there at the end, and it's really a beautiful page that means a lot to me because I really love that movie, and I think that quote is just so beautiful. So I hope that you've enjoyed watching my tutorial and you get inspired to make some of your own and crack out the modelling paste. So I will see you again very soon for the next design team project. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, my first design team project for Strumpet Stencils. I hope that you enjoyed it. There'll be 2 more next month and every month after that, so be sure to come back and join me for those. So be sure to go and subscribe to my channel as well, and you'll find the link down below to Sarah's Etsy shop where you can purchase all the stencils for yourself. Thanks so much, everyone.